Welcome to American Pacific International School. Here in our early years program, from nursery to kindergarten, we create a nurturing and stimulating environment where children develop a love for learning. We follow the globally recognized Cambridge curriculum, ensuring a strong foundation in early childhood education. Our approach is play-based, allowing children to explore, discover, and grow through meaningful experiences.
In our Chinese program, we immerse students in a fun and interactive learning environment, helping them to develop essential Chinese language skills through songs, stories, and engaging activities. 欢迎加入美国太平洋国际学校，与我们一起探索中文的魅力，感受语言的乐趣。
We also take pride in our Khmer program, where students build a strong connection to Cambodian culture and language through engaging lessons, music, and hands-on activity បញ្ជូនបុត្រធីតារបស់លោកស្រីមកសិក្សានៅសាលាអន្តរជាតិ American Pacific ដើម្បីទទួលបានការអប់រំមួយដ៏ល្អប្រសើរ
At APIS, we believe that every child is unique and learns best through play and exploration. Our dedicated teachers create a warm and supportive environment where children feel safe, confident, and excited to learn every day. Join us at APIS and give your child the best start in their learning journey.
American Pacific International School, Partnership for Success.